Hello to all you dreamers. Welcome to the mindful storytelling video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Lacey Boucher. I'm an inspirational family leader, offering a space for kids to step into their light, to build their confidence, and to freely express their imagination through the magic of storytelling, connection, and mindfulness. So, what is mindful storytelling? Mindful storytelling is a fun way for kids and adults to share their stories without the worry or the emphasis on the actual writing. It's really meant for you to drop into the present moment, to build your confidence, and to use your imagination through different storytelling techniques. Now, in future videos, I will be sharing with you my favorite storytelling techniques that you can use at home with your kids. And I hope that you really dive into it because it helps children to express their imagination, let their creativity flow without having to stress about their writing and writing rules. I will be offering, so this is a special announcement, within the month I'm offering a workshop, a free workshop for kids where it is all about mindful storytelling. I'm going to put a link below and you can sign up for that there. And I really hope that your little ones will join. It'll be for ages 5 to 11. And all you would need is a piece of paper and some writing tools. That's it, and your imagination, but that's always with us, and I'm going to encourage and inspire our kids to use it during our time together. So if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and let me know in the comments below if you are aware of mindful storytelling, what your favorite storytelling technique is, and I look forward to connecting. Have a wonderful day.